Welcome to our hotel review of the Ambasciatori Palace Hotel in Rome. Built in the early 1900s, it's had many distinguished guests including Frank Sinatra, Peter O'Toole, Audrey Hepburn and many more. And thanks to Imagine Cruising, this weekend it was our turn. Both the hotel and the Imagine Cruising team were fantastic and looked after us so well. Now let's show you around our room to give you an idea of the standard of the hotel you could be staying at if you booked an Imagine Cruising experience.
And look at this! Look at this smart boy. We're just about to go and see Katherine Jenkins, but we wanted to give you a proper look around our room where we've been staying with Imagine Cruising, which has been amazing. So let's take you around our bathroom. As you say, it's really big. We've just had a leisurely hour, just lolloping in the bath, and it's been lovely. Slippers and gowns and just lovely toiletries and even a little sticker on your toilet roll. So we've been really happy with our room here, haven't we, honey? Yeah, so let's take you around our main room. We only got one room. So this is the bedroom, a double bedroom, as you can see. Everything we need. Lots of plugs, actually, isn't there, Paul? There's plugs there under the little dressing tables. Very classically decorated, as you would expect in a hotel in Rome. So,
but even though it's classically decorated, it has also got all the ultra modern.
Yes, it has.
Switches which controls everything.
Yeah. So you've got your little what do you call it? Like a pad that you just turn everything off.
All the lights, the air conditioning, everything.
Yeah, that's right. And then you've got your walk-in wardrobe, which is here, which is plenty spacious, loads of storage. And you've got a safe, which is huge. You can get a huge, well, you can get a big computer in there, can't you? A big laptop. And back out into the bedroom, we've got our tea and coffee area and also a fully stocked minibar. Handbag station, if those of you have been following us, you know, 3 handbags for a weekend.
Well, they don't come with a room.
No, they don't come with a room. And then we got this has been a fantastic little charger station for all our electronics. So, yeah, TV, just been watching the Italian Grand Prix, and it's been perfect. And what we've loved about this room is this, a fantastic balcony area, which you can have a party for 10 out here. 3 water taps. If you're into water taps, not sure what that's all about, but there we are, fantastic area here. And just down here,
that is the
Hard Rock Cafe. Yeah, not that we've been there, we went to a fantastic Italian restaurant today. So there we are, so we're in Rome. And why are we in Rome, honey?
We're in Rome because we are going now, very shortly, to a castle to watch Mark Vincent, who's an Australian opera singer, and we're really looking forward to that, followed by the fantastic Welsh opera singer Katherine Jenkins.
Exactly.
So it's going to be a fantastic night and we can't wait.
Yeah, so we're off now. That's why we're all got our bib and tucker on, and we've been invited by Imagine Cruising, who have treated us so well since we've been here in Rome, and we would thoroughly recommend that you use them. We'll put links in our comments below, and also you can click the links above to find out more about the bespoke events that they do for cruising. So this is the Ambasciatori Hotel in Rome, and we've had a fabulous time.
Now watch these videos next for more hotel reviews from Paul and Carol Love to Travel.